Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Munro College from St. Elizabeth up against Maggotty High, also from St. Elizabeth. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Munro College is represented this evening by Team Captain Jamoy Peter, Antonio King, Theodore Tomlinson, and Kishnan Bennett, while Maggotty High is represented by Team Captain Tajani Brown, Chrisani Vassal, Kamaya Campbell, and Kamal Gray. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarter-finals. Hello, welcome to round 3 action in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge in this section. Teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. The gentleman from Munro College won and decided to go first. So we begin with Munro College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. I have that time on the clock, Munro, so I'll begin right away with history. In 1932, which leader embarked on a so-called 6-day fast to the death to protest British colonial actions in his country?
1932. Fulgencio Batista.
No, Mahatma Gandhi. In India, history for Maggotty. Which founder of the Black Consciousness Movement in South Africa was killed in a prison cell in Pretoria on September 12, 1977?
South African movement. Alright, so I'll go Thabo Mbeki.
No, Steve Biko. International affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Liechtenstein.
That's right. International affairs from Maggotty. Look at the monitor now and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Austria.
Sorry?
Austria.
That's right. Spanish from Munro. What does todo está bien mean when translated to English?
All is well.
All is well.
Good. Spanish from Maggotty. What does the question ¿Estás de acuerdo mean when translated to English?
Are you well?
Are you well?
No. Do you agree? Information technology from Munro. What does the abbreviation RDMA stand for?
RDMA.
Reduced direct multimedia access.
No. Remote direct memory access. Infotech from Maggotty. What does the abbreviation SATA stand for?
Serial transmission accessory bus.
No. Serial advanced technology attachment. Music for Munro. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Singer.
I'm so glad you found me in time, and I'm so glad
Generous.
No. Natalie Cole. This will be music from Maggotty. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
Is it alright with me?
Stevie Wonder.
No. Al Green. Let's stay together. Jamaican heritage. Munro. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Disobedient picnic yam.
Rockstone.
Rockstone.
That's right. Jamaican heritage for Maggotty. Complete this Jamaican proverb. Every best friend have a...
Another best friend?
Another best friend.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Kali Reese.
Reese.
No. Connie Ferguson. Theatre and cinema for Maggotty. Look at the monitor and identify this actress, please.
Brandy. Come.
Inicha.
That's Maggie Benedict, both ladies from series Generations. English language, Munro, what is the preposition in this sentence? The conductor took another turn on the pavement.
On.
That's right, English language, Maggotty, what is the preposition in this sentence? It is very humid in the summer.
In.
Yes, support a visual one for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Blaze Bicknell.
Blaze Bicknell.
That's right, sport for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Chris Warner.
Chris Warner.
No, Chris Binney. He's a squash star, both from Jamaica. General knowledge, Munro, in which U.S. state was civil rights leader Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. killed?
Tennessee.
Tennessee.
That's right, general knowledge, Maggotty, in which U.S. state was civil rights leader and black activist Malcolm X killed?
Malcolm X, Texas. Or Texas.
Texas.
No, New York. Geography, and that is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Munro College taking the early lead on 6 points, Maggotty High on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.